Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ganesh Mer and I am the student of the Savitribai Phule Pune University Department of Education and Extension. Today here we have see the topic regular education versus online education. So let's start.
Regular education versus online education. Preface. Education nowadays has become a necessary part of life. Every person requires proper education in order for a bright future. Education enables us to be self-dependent and unlocks our potential so that we could be a part of the educated and developed society. Education system has been a great trend in it. There are various ways for educating one. If each way has its own advantages and drawbacks. This presentation is describe the ways of education, compare and discuss their advantages and disadvantages, and to conclude it with the best one. Modernization. Our world is modernized day by day. Every field of life is trading from a traditional to digital way. We have online banking, online shopping, online communication, online news and affairs, online business, online entertainment, and so on. This has reduced the burden on our shoulders and brain and made our life much fast, which gives us more time to leisure activities. Trends in education. Since the earliest times, education has been one of the most important aspects of life. Earlier education was nothing but passing of a general knowledge orally generation to generation. Then came a new system of schools in which a person who has more knowledge than most of the others on all or a particular topic taught the children of their area. This led to invention of schools. Soon schools started using written text like scrolls to aid the students in learning. This led to the introduction of book. As time passed on, schools became a bigger and started using in structure, modernized was of teaching, etc. Now education has a completely new phase. Modernization has made education much faster, easier and accessible everywhere. Regular education. About regular education. Regular education refers to learning at school where there are books to introduce new topics, stories, and to give reference and a teacher to explain all the subjects in detail and solve our problems. The books contain detailed information about the topics that we need or desire to know. A teacher is trained and well educated person who explains us all these topics in a way that could be understood easily. She also helps us in clearing any doubts. System of regular education. Regular education follows a system that involves reading the books which provide a detailed information of the topic, getting a detailed explanation by teachers, solving the problems if we have any, and perform practical tests and experiments if necessary. Finally, a written test is taken to ensure that the topics have been cleared. If a student passes the test, then it means that the student is ready to learn another topic. Otherwise, he has to study that topic again. Advantages and disadvantages. First, the advantages. The books provide an interesting way of explaining the topics through stories, illustration, etc. The teachers know us to so they know that how they need to teach effectively. Teachers give us the major points and notes so that we do not need to read the whole book again and again. School provides us the environment we need to concentrate on studies and the infrastructure and facilities necessary like libraries, labs, etc. Students are physically and mentally trained by instructors. Disadvantages. Disadvantages. The education mostly costly as schools have become a large and number of books are needed. Few students who are very weak at studying are harsh treated and are not always understood. The rules of modern schools sometimes put students into despair and tension. Students need to carry heavy bags which put stress on their body. There can be geographical another time where is mobility of education is absent. Students are unable to develop technological skills. Online education. About online education or e-learning refers to the use of electronic media and information and communication technologies (ICT) in education. It uses all forms of education technology like digital notes, e-books, teaching, slides, video conferencing, online test and quiz. Digital notes are documents containing important points for the topic. E-books have detailed information about the topic, just like books. Teaching slides are videos that explain the topic effectively. Like teachers, video conferencing can be used to talk to an expert to resolve any problem. Online test and quiz enhance our knowledge further. Necessities for online education. Since online education is totally dependent on electronic media, a computer laptop with an internet connection is the most basic need. A smartphone can use be as a portable access for to a study plan if it is stored on internet. A speaker, microphone, printer and a DC camera are also required for best results. Another important thing is a website that provides the facility of virtual classroom and study material, and there are many such websites which provide these things at a cost. Advantages. Students have improved open access to education, including access to full degree programs. Data is renewed regularly so that students have access to latest data. There are no geographical or time barriers. Technological skills are improved automatically while studying. Improved interaction is present between the student and instructor. No harsh rules are present. Students are independent to choose their difficulty level and methods. Disadvantages. Easy updating. Children with less resources lack proper education. Equipment is mostly costly. Discipline is absent. There is a lack of social interaction between instructor and students. Students are unable to be trained with physical and mental skill. Asynchronous communication hinders fast exchange of information and or questions between instructor and student. Danger of procrastination is always present. Regular system. Students need to go to school for studying. Printed books are used for studying. Important notes and homework written on notebook. Written tests are given. Teachers are present for explaining the subject in detail and clearing doubts. There is an environment of discipline and study. Heavy books and notebooks stress the body of the student. The data provided is generally outdated. There is social interaction between instructor and the student. Cheating is not very easy. Student cannot choose his or her own difficulty level. Online education. Student can study at home or anywhere else. E-books are used for studying. Important notes and homework are written on a computer. Online tests and quizzes are given. Experts are present for explaining and clearing doubts. There is no such environment. No such stress is present as only lightweight equipments are needed. The data provided is updated regularly. The social interaction between instructor and student is absent. Cheating is easy. Student is independent to choose difficulty level of his or her choice. Thank you.